Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering prerequisites that actually move work forward: scope, deliverables, and stakeholder names. Once collected, create a lightweight folder and name files using simple ID like 1, 0, and 1. 1 so you can reference them quickly. Move critical source files, specs, diagrams, meeting notes into that folder and tag them with dates. As you do this, write the first index outline with main headings. This first actionable draft lets you see gaps and sets the structure for iteration. Once the outline exists, you expand each heading into concrete entries. Add task descriptions, owners, current status, and explicit dependencies so nothing is ambiguous. Make sure to include metadata for every item, file path, version number, created date, and last reviewer, because this is what keeps the index actionable. Then consolidate everything into a single master index file using CSV or Markdown and lock naming conventions. This consistency ensures reliable lookups and smooth handoffs during execution. You finish by reviewing the compiled index with the team, confirm owners, due dates, and acceptance criteria so responsibilities are clear. After agreement, export the final index and store one canonical copy in the shared location, plus at least one backup. Then set a simple update rule and schedule periodic audits to keep the index current. If entries are conflicting or missing, use a quick reconciliation meeting to resolve discrepancies. This single troubleshooting step fixes most problems fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.